Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janet. Welcome back to another interesting video. In case you are new here, karibu sana. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. Nawapenda sana. So on today's video guys, we are going to make matumbo, and these are my ingredients. As you can see, onion, garlic, tomatoes, hoho, and matumbo. Yeah, let's get into the video. And before we do that guys, kindly remember to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Also, hit that notification button down below so that when I upload a new video, you get notified.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.